Welcome to Love Your Coaching. I'm Charlie, and welcome to this playlist, which is all about coaching supervision. If you're tuning into this playlist, you're likely to be a coach who is either studying to be a coaching supervisor or you're already a coaching supervisor and you're looking to enhance your practice. What I've put together here are a number of recordings of coaching supervision sessions that I've had with a couple of different supervisees. The idea, as you'll know in supervision, is to pick up some of the variety. So I have structured them. One is structured using the clear structure, and most of them are structured using the seven-eyed coaching supervision structure. The idea here is to be able to show how fluid and how dynamic the seven-eyed structure can be. Lots of supervisors struggle with the seven-eyed structure because it's fiddly. And because there are so many variations on the themes, there are so many different pathways. So what I managed to do in those supervision sessions, you might do something completely different. There's more than one version of right. Lots of supervisors organize their supervision sessions in all sorts of different ways, and sometimes we have to be much more spontaneous and much more organic. Uh, but I wanted to put some demos up there for fellow supervisors so you can see a little bit of a flow. We are sharing these videos for supervisors in training with us when we run our ILM level 7 in supervision every year, but we're also sharing them here publicly. So if you find these useful, do share some comments. Do share also how you run your supervision sessions. It's always good and always interesting to know. We'd love to hear your experiences as well. I hope that you're enjoying your supervision work. I hope it's going very well. I hope that both you and the coaches you're working with are getting lots of benefit. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a good day. Happy coaching and happy supervising.